Universal Declaration of Human Rights, Article 11. Everyone charged with a penal offense has the right to be presumed innocent until proven guilty, according to the law in a public trial at which they have had all the guarantees necessary for their defense.
No one shall be held guilty of any penal offense on account of any act or omission which did not constitute a penal offense under national or international law at the time when it was committed, nor shall a heavier penalty be imposed than the one that was applicable at the time the penal offense was committed. So, non-retroactivity, a law does not apply to the past. This means the law only applies moving forward from the day it is enforced. If an act was legal well done, you cannot be punished later for it after a new law makes it illegal.